Welcome to my channel Freelancing Online. Please subscribe, like, and share for more.
Today I'm going to show you another website for free where you can earn free crypto. Okay, free crypto. This one is called Earn Freeblock. Okay, you see this one here. These are withdrawals. People have already withdrawn. You see here. You see here. These are withdrawals. Once you click on it, you'll just have on the main dashboard. So you see all these ones are the crypto currencies they are going to earn through this. You can see here all these ones are crypto. You can see here all these are crypto are going to earn when you do just simple tasks within the website. Let me show you exactly how to do, because I already have an account. Let me show you how to register, then it will come later to login. So to register, you click on register like that. Once you click on my link, it will take you to this dashboard. Okay, once to open like this, you see you only need required to place your name, username here, email, then password, and then you verify this challenge and you're done. Okay, to verify this challenge, you click on this like that. Then you see here, select the list displayed image. You can see the list displayed image here is this one, the bulb. You can see the bulb. Okay, then you click register account. It does not need verification or payment of any a registration fee or activation fee. It is free. Okay, you only need to register and continue doing tasks for free. Then you earn for free. You are just claiming free crypto every day. Okay, so because I already have an account, I don't want to sign another one. Let me go back to sign in. Okay, because I already have it. So I select the icon that matches the above. So you see this icon here. You need to select the other one. You see the icon above here is the one in question. So you're supposed to select you're supposed to select the image that resembles this one above. Okay, be among these ones here. Among these ones, you're supposed to pick the image that resembles the one above. So you can see it's like something like star. So you select this one star here. So you see verify. Then you click on login. Okay, click on login. So you see its account is already open. This is my account. You can see I already have 4,474 coins there. Okay, I can withdraw, but I don't want to withdraw right now. Okay, it supports for SeedPay, C wallet, and other crypto wallets. Okay, so guys, once the account is open like this, first of all, you need to claim free crypto every day. You need to claim free crypto every day before you come to tasks. Okay, you scroll up like this, then you see this one claim here. You see this one claim here. Every day you need to claim, but because I logged in earlier today, I've already claimed the 82 coins. Okay, you just continue scrolling up. So you can see claim member after every seconds. Just click on here this. After clicking on this, you see here this challenge. You are supposed to solve the challenge. So you see the 200, 101, then 111. So please click on the anti-bot links in the following order. So you see you have 200, then you have 101, then you have 11. So it begins with 200, then 101, then 111 like that. Then you click on this one. Then you say select the list displayed image. The list displayed image here is the card here. Like that, you see verify, then collect. Okay, so you see collect. Good job already. So you see, yeah, we are done with that one. Then we go back. We go back again. We go back again. Go back just slow like that. So you see here we have claim short links. You also have to view your short links, then you get paid. Then you have offer walls. Then you have challenge here. You see, challenge here means when you view maybe certain number of PTC ads, you will be required to claim free coins for reaching that level. For playing such a amount of PTC, you'll be required to claim free coins. Okay, then you have PTC, CPTC here. Then we have coupon here. With coupon here, there is a Telegram group. Let me click and show you. You click on it like that. You see, click to join Telegram today for coupon. You see, for today coupon, you're required to click on here to join Telegram. The code will be posted on that Telegram group for everyone to take the code and paste it here and claim the amount. Yeah, okay, to claim this amount here, you can see amount. Let me show you the amount. You see this amount here, 163 coins. You will claim it the moment you paste the code there. So you can see the PTC here. Click on PTC. See, all these ones are PTC. Just click on this one and watch for 10 seconds. You get this one. Let me show you one. Let me show you one for free like that. Click on like that. Then there will be a timer here. You see timer here. It counts. It is counting. You see the timer counting. You see that's the timer. It's counting like that. Once it becomes 0, they will be presented another captcha verify challenge. Okay, so click on verify challenge, then select the list displayed image like that. You click on this one. This is the list displayed image, then verify. Okay, then after that you already open, you have already claimed, you see, 40. So that's how to do it. You can do all of this by doing the same way, by just like the way I've shown you, the same way. Okay, just like that. Yeah, just simple like that. This one I do it every day. In fact I love this one because it is simple and easy. Very simple and easy. See, guys, I'm telling you, all of these websites I'm showing you, all of them I have accounts registered, and some have done my own tasks, and I have even withdrawn from some of them. It is free actually. You can see the list displayed here is this one. You see, this one I've already claimed. You see, I'm going to show you everything. I'm going to show you everything, guys. You don't have to worry about anything. I'm going to show you everything here. The list displayed here is this bulb here. Then click on that. It's done. Then go back. So you see, all of these ones, you see, there are very many. Let's go back. Let me show you. So you see this one there. Then let me take you back to the main dashboard here. Main dashboard. Yeah, it's the main dashboard. I think this one you can claim it again. It happens only after just 1 minute. Yeah, 1 minute. 1 minute only. 687. 687. Verify. Then click on this. Simple. I love this one, guys. Doing it just simple. See, very easy. Let's go back to the main dashboard. I show you something. With the challenge. I'm going to show you. So you see challenge here. Let me show you about challenge. So you see challenge, view 10 PTC ads, you get 49 coins. So we have already viewed 11 of them, so which means I am eligible to claim this one for free. So you see, I click on claim like that. It is loading. You see, 49. Good job. You see, I'm telling you guys, this one thing is very simple. So you see, another challenge here is complete 50 short links, you get 1636 coins. Okay, just simple like that. Let's go to the main dashboard again. Let me show you another thing. I'm going to show you another thing. We are done with the then we are done with PTC coupon challenge. Let me show you offer wall. Okay, now offer wall, these are the offer walls. You see, these are the offer walls. You only need to visit the site. After visiting the site, then you'll already have completed that as task. Just simple like that, and you have the amount in your account. Okay, let's go back to the dashboard. Let me show you the last thing. The last thing, guys, is this one here, short links. These are short links. Click on short links like that. See this one, short links. You only need to visit to view 5 of them. You earn 294. Another one, just viewing one. You only need to click this one to view it. Just click like that. Then you scroll this one. Scroll as you read. Okay, just scroll as you read like that. It does not need it is not a lot of work, guys. Just simple and easy. Just simple and easy. I'm telling you. Even we are not required to do that. Let me take you back home. So that's how I was telling you. Yeah, just simple, guys. That's how to do this one. Let me show you how to withdraw. Withdraw, you click on the see to do every task or to view everything in this website. You will click on these dots for the 3 lines here and the top left. Okay, then you see the options, whatever you want here, you will see it here. So withdraw, you click on withdraw. Withdraw is also for free. So you see, I have not yet set my account. That's what they're requesting. They want me to set my account. I told you. You see the C wallet here. C wallet, then is C wallet, then for seat pay, okay. All these wallets, you people know them. In case you don't know any or you don't know some, guys, you can ask me in the message. Send me a message and then I'll be available to read your message and answer you. You see these coins here. Maybe you chose this one. You can still go and change them into dollars, then withdraw in form of dollars, okay, to your main wallet like PayPal, crypto, Binance, Bitget, okay. So guys, that is how it is done. So you see, let's check on referrals. The final thing, let's check on referral. You see referral program here. You see referral program here. Share your referral link and compete. If you are new here, please subscribe to my YouTube channel, turn on the notification bell, that you'll be the first person to get a next video.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe, like, and comment for more.